How to grow your YouTube channel in 2024. Watch me reveal the top strategies to skyrocket your YouTube channel growth in 2024. Start by sharing the impressive growth statistics of successful YouTube channels in 2024 to grab viewers' attention. Introduce the importance of growing a YouTube channel and how it can lead to various opportunities and success in the digital space. Highlight the saturated nature of the YouTube platform in 2024, making it challenging for new creators to stand out and grow their channels. Discuss key strategies for channel growth such as consistent content creation, SEO optimization, engaging with the audience, and collaborating with other creators. Reveal a success story of a YouTuber who implemented the strategies mentioned and saw significant growth in their channel. Summarize the main points discussed, emphasizing the importance of perseverance, dedication, and creativity in growing a YouTube channel in 2024. Encourage viewers to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content, and share their own tips for growing a YouTube channel in the comments section.